Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I bake this crunchy coconut donut. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thank you for all my subscribers, and if you want to know how I prepare this, come with me. I will be using the following ingredients. I have flour, I have baking soda, I have gelatin sheet, I have coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut flakes, coconut flour, eggs, vanilla extract, and finally baking powder. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I will be doing is to cut open the pack of the gelatin sheet and bring it out, and then I will show you the next thing to do. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you. You guys are the real VIP. I'm so grateful. I discovered that a lot of you guys watch my video but you haven't subscribed. Please press the subscription bell and the icon bell so that when I upload the video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you. Now I'll go ahead to add the gelatin sheets into a clean water before melting it. When adding the gelatin into the water, make sure the water covers everything. I'll be leaving this for some minutes, let's say 2 to 3 minutes, to melt before taking it to the fire to melt completely. Now that it's up to 2 to 3 minutes, I'll take it out of the water and then add it into the pot. Look at it, it has melted completely, and then I will be taking it to the fire. Now that it has completely melted, I will go ahead to pour this into a clean bowl. If you notice, I didn't add any other sugar or extra sugar because this is sugar itself. If you like or if you wish, you can add sugar to this. Now I'll be adding my melted coconut oil, and then I will give this a whisk. Now that I'm done whisking it, I will go ahead to add my eggs into the liquid. Now I'll be adding my vanilla extract. I will continue to whisk this until everything comes together evenly. At this point, I will be adding my coconut milk, and then I will continue to whisk. At this point, I'll be adding the flour, and then I'll add a pinch of salt. This is optional. And then I'll be adding my baking soda, and I will also add my baking powder, and then give everything a thorough whisk. We'll be adding the coconut flour at this point. By so doing, I'll be adding it bit by bit, and then I'll continue to whisk. Guys, I will be adding more coconut milk to loosen this up because of the texture of the batter. So we don't want our donut to be like stone. That is why we're adding coconut milk. In place of coconut milk, you can also add water. As you continue to whisk, if you notice it's still thick, you can add more water or coconut milk to loosen this up. Now that we are done whisking, I will use my spatula to remove the excess on the body of the bowl. This is the pan we'll be using today. I went ahead to grease the pan and add some flour into it. Now I'll be adding my butter. And now I'll be adding the coconut flakes to top this up. You can put any topping of your choice instead of coconut flakes. I will be baking this in 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. I will go ahead to open up the oven and then show you what our donuts look like. Guys, our donut is ready. This donut was so yummy and so delicious. Please try this out, and if you do, don't forget to tag me. Please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. I will go ahead now to cut out of it. See you in my next video. Bye.